Hello, I'm Li Ping, and I'm mother-in-law of Conan.
And today she's going to be teaching me how to cook ground beef with onion.
Yes, ground beef ball, the beef ball.
Li Ping is our big chef in the house, so she is our big expert, and we'll see how it turns out.
Cut. It's like
Right here?
chop it, yeah.
And this side?
Yes, this one. And cut in half and peel it.
Okay. Chop it into smaller pieces.
Yes.
And where is this recipe from?
The recipe came from, I think I mixed it with several recipes.
Oh.
Made up. Yeah.
So this is your own creation.
Yeah, some part is my own creation.
All right.
Yeah. Yeah, it should be medium fine. Now it's good.
Okay.
Yeah. Add some oil, not too much. Yeah, should be okay.
Okay.
Because the beef has lots of fat.
Whoa, with your hand.
Well, I know where it is not hot
Yeah.
by experience.
Yeah. How long do you cook the onions for?
Probably 3 minutes or 4 minutes.
Uh-huh. And when it starts to get clear,
Yeah.
that's when you know it's done?
Right. Now it's getting done, and let it cool. When it's completely cool, then cool down, then we mix with the meat.
Yeah. So this is the beef from Costco, ground beef. It comes in a pack of 3, and we have 4 people and 1 baby today, so we're gonna use two packs of beef.
I know I wish to have some leftovers tomorrow.
Yeah.
That's why we put more meat.
Yeah. Should I wash it?
Wash it? No way. Never wash the ground beef.
Okay.
If you wash it, you will see the little pieces,
Fly out and fly away?
Yeah, you have to use filter somehow
Oh, okay.
to get the meat back.
Yeah.
But definitely you can pour the water, drain the water.
Yeah.
So that way we have the perfect ground beef.
Yeah.
We are going to let it cool down and then mix with the ground beef.
Oh, okay.
And add the other ingredients. Yeah, this is it. 苦瓜牛肉丸. Actually, we don't have 苦瓜, it's bitter melon, but actually, do you want to add this into the?
Yeah, we can add cabbage, yeah.
Right, cabbage. Cabbage is great. Yeah, it's like a small square.
This is also available at Costco. Better than bouillon.
Yeah. Whenever you don't have the exact ingredients from your recipe, you always can make up something else, and you will get a surprise.
Okay.
That's my experience.
Yeah.
Ginger powder. We don't have white pepper powder, but we have this.
So the basis for Chinese food seems to be garlic, ginger, and soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
Yeah. So almost any Chinese dish, if you add those, and then if you add some cornstarch for a lot of them, can be helpful. But in Chinese, you call it 生抽.
生抽.
Right? Yeah.
This is 生抽.
Yeah.
And the dark soy sauce means 老抽. Dark soy sauce.
Yeah, dark soy sauce is really just for the color.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
And how about cooking wine? Do we want to add cooking wine?
I don't see it in the recipe, but don't try it.
Okay.
Wine normally is for something smelly, or you want to remove some taste.
Okay.
Yeah. And salt.
Yeah.
The basic ingredients.
Yes.
Salt. this is a lot of meat, so you might need to add enough salt. However, you don't want to be very salty because we have very young kids.
Yeah.
So let's start to mix it before we get this cool down. Yeah, you always, repeat the same recipe, because if you miss something or not doing any right step, important step, you will have different dish.
And you have to cook the onions before you put them in the meatball. Is that right?
Yes.
If you don't cook it first, then they might not cook as well.
Yeah, it's a different taste.
Yeah.
Because it's all boiled, not stir fried.
I see.
Yeah, so the flavor doesn't come out if you don't use this method.
Yeah.
There's a way to check the taste. Some people may don't like it, but I want to show you my method. But it's safe.
Yeah.
It's safe. You don't want to try it, taste it when you mix with pork. You only check the taste with the beef or lamb.
Oh, so you're gonna try this while it's raw?
Yes, when it's raw.
Wow.
See, there's a way, just a little bit. I may make some people sick, but I don't eat it. Make sure. Don't touch it. No flavor.
Wow.
That's the way how I taste it.
So now you know you need to add more salt.
Soy sauce first.
Yeah. Yeah, because we have so much meat, so you need to add a lot more.
But you don't want overdo it, adding the salt.
And so what does the eggs do? Is that just to help the meatball stay together?
Yes.
Okay. So it's not really for taste, it's just to give it a good consistency.
Yeah. Some people, Chinese people, they know how to get the flavor right. They smell it.
And did somebody teach you the testing technique, or did you come up with that on your own?
From all different kinds of sources.
Oh, okay.
Like from my parents, from my husband's parents.
Oh, so all of them did it?
And from recipes, I like to watch cooking channels.
Oh,
like
yeah.
Food Network. It's like advertisement.
Yeah. Are you excited to have your first cooking video?
I am.
We can call it Cooking with Leah.
Yeah, we have lots of meat, so this is not enough. Yeah, try a little bit, just get the flavor of it. This is not main ingredients. So always remember, if you don't use it as your main ingredients, you don't want it take over the flavor. Don't use it too much. Yeah, just a little bit.
Yeah.
It will be good.
And is this northern Chinese cuisine or southern Chinese, or what would you call this?
More like north. My father, my late father, he always did this. Get some meat and hit on in the ball. That way, he says it's tender. The meat will be tender.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but I do it. About a good dish, always two things. One, fresh ingredients. Second, salt.
Yes.
Other things are trivial.
Yes.
The way you cook it, the other ingredients you added, not important. It's called the tartar, batter. Tartar, a French cuisine or some other cuisine, they have raw beef chopped. It's like a ground beef.
Yeah.
And they call it tartar.
And they eat it.
They eat it.
They eat it raw. Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. Add water maybe halfway.
Okay, so we added about half of water.
Yes. And we cover it to make a quick boiling. Yeah. Use it for
This big?
double.
Double. Do you ever make this with pork? Or only beef?
This type, like adding cooked onion, this is only for beef.
Oh.
Pork has its own way. If you do pork balls, meatballs, you need to add lots of chopped ginger and garlic.
Oh.
I find that you make smaller balls.
Smaller?
No. You need to make a bigger one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can start to put in
Okay.
to meatballs. Slow down. Let it slide in. Yeah. And now we add some dark soy sauce.
And how long are we going to cook the meatballs for?
Minimum 20 minutes.
Oh.
When it's boiling, maybe turn it to medium heat.
Yeah.
That way, the ball can be a little bit tender. Because we added some cornstarch and eggs, so it can be a little soft. But the way of cooking, the temperature is also important. It shouldn't be very high.
What if you cook it 10 minutes too long? Will it get hard or?
I would say tender.
A tender?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
tender.
So it's okay if you need to cook a little longer.
But with low temperature.
Low temperature.
Yeah.
Okay, so after cooking for a few minutes, then you add the cabbage. It's been about maybe 5 minutes that it's been cooking.
Yeah, it's been 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Light soy sauce.
Oh, okay.
Because it needs flavor too.
Yeah. So we're just gonna let this cook for 15 minutes and then it'll be done.
Yes.
Oh.
Don't forget to add some cornstarch liquid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you don't need to cover it with any cover or anything. You just let it cook like this.
After it's boiling, you turn down the temperature to medium. Then you cover it.
Yeah. Ah.
You still need to cover it.
Yeah.
But now it's just let it, let the flavor comes out. Let the heat, let the fire or the burner do the work.
Yeah. All right. We'll come back once this is ready. Okay, it's boiling now. But what she's gonna do now is remove some of the foam or this kind of fat that comes out when you're boiling it.
Yes. Make sure the wok is steady. You hold it because if it pours on you, that would be very dangerous.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is really for aesthetic reasons to get rid of this, right? And maybe it tastes bad too.
They taste bad.
Oh, it tastes bad. Okay.
They taste bad.
Yeah. So this is an important step not to forget.
Yeah. My understanding is why we have this stuff. It's not really the fat. It's the egg. It's the egg.
Oh.
Yeah, the foam came from the egg.
Oh.
But we want to remove it because we don't want to see the. Sometimes we want to see the clear soup.
Yeah.
In Chinese cuisine, but this one it's going to be a thick soup. So we're going to make it a little bit thick.
Yeah.
But actually, this is not important.
Yeah.
But we remove it. It's for my habit.
Yeah. So it's a good habit to get into if you're making another Chinese soup. To make sure you always get rid of this stuff.
Yeah. Each have one meatball and see the inside. It's fully cooked,
yeah.
so we have to, we must turn it off.
Yeah.
And we covered it for keeping heat and also make sure the vegetable is getting tender and tender.
Yeah.
Allow the tender vegetable.
Very tender.
Tender, yeah.
The onion inside is really good.
Yeah. We didn't add sugar, but it has a little bit sweet taste. It comes from the onion and maybe the chicken
bouillon. Yeah.
This is the final product. How is it?
Good.
Good.
Yeah.
Wow. Ready to eat.
Yeah, see this sticky sauce.
Oh yeah, sticky sauce. Let me show. Perfect with some rice. It's good? Yay!